So now to add the poster, if it's not after being scanned, you will need to go online yourself to find that poster. And you need to download it, make sure it's in JPEG format, and then simply select the actual DVD. So in this instance it's Alan Wicker. Go down to Manage, choose Art, and then click on Poster. And then you're going to need to browse for that image. Now in this instance I have a file inside in the SSD drive, and it's called Posters. And there we are. So I just press that, and that's it. It's added to the poster. So if now it doesn't seem obvious, it's not obvious here, but you can see over here that it is added. So then press the back, and there we are, it's added to it. And then it's the same principle for any other one that's missing. Again, hold it down, Manage, choose Art, Poster, browse to wherever you have, and there we go. I have it there, Around the World in 80 Treasures, and that's it. Press the back key again on the NVIDIA, and there we are. And